friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the CPU core utilization comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme X1 Max device. So in this video, I'll try to show you friends what are the 8 cores, how they are utilizing in the ideal state, and when you try to use a GT mode and the high performance mode, how is the utilization going on, and why the Realme X1 Max performs really great if you try to use the high performance mode in this device, and which can actually come close to Realme GT Neo 2, but sometimes it can actually beat the Realme GT Neo 2 as well in some circumstance. That's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. What is happening with the Realme X1 Max basically. If you try to watch the previous uploaded videos with the Realme X1 Max and the Realme GT Neo 2, you'll be able to see clearly what is happening in the speed test and opening speeds, and few of the test results even I am really shocked to see in the high performance mode. This Realme X1 Max acts like steroids. Yes, exactly, in the high performance mode, this phone. So I'll try to show you what is the difference is going on between both phones in terms of the utilization of the CPU cores. So by using this application, we'll be able to monitor exactly what is happening with the CPU cores, each and everything. As you can see friends, out of 8 cores, how the utilization is there in the Realme X1 Max. They're not even increasing that much in ideal state, okay? At this moment, it's not increasing much. You can see everything below 25%, around 25% exactly, in terms of utilization of the CPU cores. You can clearly see, but in the Realme GT Neo 2, you can see 34%, they're slightly above 25% in terms of utilization, clearly. In the ideal state, I'm not using any kind of applications, there is no running background live wallpaper, nothing yet. Only one application is used in the background, that's it. But you can see how the utilization is there between these both phones. Try to observe. So when I'm not touching the screen, how the CPU cores are behaving in between both phones. So if you use the GT mode and if you use the high performance mode, try to observe how much difference it's gonna make in the utilization of the CPUs. So in the ideal situation, definitely friends, the Realme X Max, it's not utilizing much of the CPUs, so which makes slightly kind of a little bit power efficient sometimes because it's not utilizing. But let's not come to the conclusion at this moment based upon these results. Let me try to show you what happens if I try to enable the GT mode. So GT mode is enabled, and let's go to the high performance mode and let's enable the high performance mode. Let's see what happens if you try to enable the high performance mode. This is gonna boost all the core performance to 100%. You can see 4 CPUs, they are actually boosted exactly to 2 GHz. They are not even decreasing. Try to observe, they're not even decreasing. It's like 100%, that's it. Using in the high performance mode, you can clearly see friends what is happening. But in the Realme GT Neo 2, they are not utilizing exactly 100%. I mean, they are not fixed. You can see they are not fixed at all. They're kind of changing, increasing and decreasing. But when you need, the phone will definitely come to 100%. They will try to utilize 100%. But when you don't need, they will not utilize to 100%. The CPU core levels, you can see how it's behaving. Even in the GT mode is also turned on. Try to look at the graph. But in the high performance mode, look at the graph in the Realme X1 Max. It's 100% in the high performance mode. They're not even decreasing. They're not decreasing. It's kind of completely stable. There is no increase, there is no decrease, not even 1% is not changing exactly. You may think this is a screenshot, but this is not the screenshot. This is actual application which I'm trying to use. You can see it's not even reacting. But in the Realme GT Neo 2, they keep on changing constantly depending upon the touch, as you can see. So maybe this might be the reason why the apps are slightly opening faster. I mean, games are opening faster in the Realme X1 Max because it is giving instant torque and power, everything for that game to open faster than the Realme GT Neo. That's what I'm expecting friends if you try to use the high performance mode, because there is a huge change. If you don't use high performance mode and if you use high performance mode, there is a huge change in the Realme X1 Max, but I did not observe this much of huge change in the Realme GT Neo 2. I did not observe that much difference. For example, if you try to open the Battlegrounds mobile game without high performance mode in this phone, it takes 23 seconds. And using high performance mode, it takes 18 seconds. So there is a difference of 5 seconds. In this case, 23 seconds, for example, and using GT mode, it takes 21 seconds. Like 2 seconds difference will be there if you use the GT mode. I mean, the gap is very less if you use GT mode and without using GT mode. But in this Realme X1 Max using high performance mode, slightly kind of improving a lot and boosting a lot in terms of the performance levels in the Realme X1 Max. This is what my conclusion friends of this video. That's what I thought of explaining you why the Realme X1 Max is performing so much beast when you turn on the high performance mode. Because of this might be the reason why. You can see the CPU utilization, how it is. It's not decreasing. As soon as I disable the high performance mode, they will come back to normal position. Below 25%. Below. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this, friends. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Maybe these things might be improved with the next future updates, because it's just only 15 days of using this device, so we should give some time, and definitely after a couple of updates, maybe this phone also might become like this as well. But let's see what happens next. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.